Here's how to copy and paste files from your computer into BlueStacks. Open BlueStacks and wait for the home screen to fully load. Open Media Manager from System Apps or by searching for it inside BlueStacks. This is your central hub for files you import. Navigate to the destination folder inside Media Manager where you want your files to end up, such as pictures, music, or downloads, and keep that folder open on screen. Now switch to your computer's File Explorer or Finder and locate the files you want to copy. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select multiple files at once. With BlueStacks still visible in the background, click and drag your selected files directly onto the BlueStacks window, aiming for the Media Manager area you opened earlier. You should see an import message or progress indicator appear. Once complete, the files will show up inside the open folder in Media Manager, sometimes under an imported section, which is completely normal. If you drag in an APK file, BlueStacks will offer to install it directly rather than just copying it as a regular file. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.